In this video, we will be reviewing how to find the square root of a number that is not a perfect square. So let's begin with a number like 300. So let's say we want to find the square root of 300. The first thing that we'd like to do is we'd like to go ahead and break 300 down using our factor trees. So we know that 3 times 100 is equal to 300. And we should also know that 10 times 10 is equal to 100. Finally, 2 times 5 and 2 times 5 both equal 10. We know when we can stop on our factor trees when at the bottom of our trees, all we have are primes. Circle each of the prime numbers to make sure that you write them all under radical. Next, instead of writing the square root of 300, we'll write the square root of product of all the prime numbers. So we'll have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. Once we have all of those prime numbers underneath the radical, we'll then begin to look for pairs of numbers. So we see a pair of 2's and we see a pair of 5's. Anywhere that we see a pair, we pull one of those numbers out. So we'll pull out 1, 2, and we'll pull out 1, 5. All of the numbers that are pulled out, we find the product of. All of the numbers that are left under the radical without a matching number or that don't belong to a pair, we'll find the product of also. In this case, we're left with 3 under the radical, so 3 remains under the radical. We multiply what we have left to simplify our answer. 2 times 5 is 10 times the square root of 3. And remember, that's plus or minus 10 times the root of 3.